You believe that? God damn people. Who the f just gets in the middle of a fucking line of 200 bikes? I mean, Jesus Christ. Fucking morons, man. Comes right over. People are fucking stupid. Yeah. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been a while, and this video is long overdue. This one's literally been sitting in my to-do list for quite some time, and you know what? I'm getting back into it, and I thought I would finish this one up. But I did notice that when I recorded this video, I never did an intro for it. So I'm gonna do a quick little intro right now, even though it's from the future. We're gonna talk about the past. But this is from the Forgotten Angles Shade Tree Search-In Weirdo Campout that happened back last year in 2021. This was my first really big group ride that I've ever done. I've ridden with small groups of people, but never a massive pack of people. And this was a good experience for me, which I thought was really cool. And just dealing with how, I think there was at least about 200 bikes overall in this ride from Burt's Barracuda down to the Forgotten Angles Compound. And I thought it was really cool, and some sketchy things happened, which you saw in the intro there. But yeah, anyways, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna do a quick little montage. We're gonna show the ride over from Burt's to Forgotten Angles, and I'll just kind of talk about it for a little bit. And then stay tuned. There will be a little montage of the Forgotten Angles Campout towards the end. And that's pretty cool to check out everyone that was there. There's a lot of YouTubers, a lot of people came to camp out for the weekend. So yeah, stay tuned, check it out. And if you're new here, hit the like, comment, and subscribe button below. All right then, so let's get to it. So we're at Burt's Barracuda, and we got a kind of a late start to the day. And we all lined up for the ride to start, and we ended up filing in towards the back of the pack. And I was kind of hanging with some people I knew. There's the Badgers and Wind Road Therapy there. So we all kind of started together, but as the group ride started and got moving, everyone kind of just took off, and everyone kind of spread out a bit. So it was kind of hard to stay together in a close pack. But yeah, I was trying to keep up with the big portion of the group, but not trying to get out of my comfort zone. So you got to ride your own ride and feel what's most comfortable to you. So when we got here on the highway, we got up to speed. Many people took off and were way ahead, but I kind of hung back with these pack of people that we're kind of all doing the same thing, and we all felt pretty comfortable. But once we hit traffic here in the middle of town, I think we all came to a dead stop, and the whole group just kind of bunched back up together. And I think everyone did a really good job of kind of maintaining a formation of a staggered riding, although everyone was kind of trading spots depending on how the traffic was flowing. But everyone did a great job just kind of holding their positions and staying on lane. But once we got moving again, it was kind of everyone spread out again. The whole group just spread out, clumped back together, and spread up, and clumped back together. But once we got back towards the Forgotten Angles compound, it became a little easier to stay together with the group and figure out where we're going. And they did a great job blocking traffic and sending riders ahead to the stoplights to prevent people from getting split up at the stoplights. We only had this one instance where this driver here just, in a line of 100 bikes, just decides to cut across into our lane for no other reason, just to get in our way. And we had to squeeze through here. You can see everyone's just trying to get by. But yeah, once we got to the Forgotten Angles compound, everyone just kind of filed in. Everyone got back together, and everyone kind of had a great ride, and overall it was really good. The only thing I can say is you just got to keep your head on a swivel, pay attention, and ride your own ride, because that's the only way you're going to get through this, safely. All right, what's up, everybody? Well, we're here at the 2021 Brapstar Weirdo Campout with Shade Tree Surgeon and Shay Lisi for the Forgotten Angels. They're doing the raffle this weekend, and we're here. You can see all behind me, there's people camped out. I mean, you can see, look around me. There's people camped out with all their bikes. Besides Shade Tree Surgeon, Shay Lisi, there's Biker Beth Babe, her two wheels,
you've got Windroad Therapy, you've got Shovelhead Fedge, you've got, who else? There's so many people here. And people are just having a great fucking time. Oh shit, look who it is.
What up, man? Who's this cat?
What's going on, man? How you doing?
What's up, bro?
How you doing?
I'm sorry, you gotta remind me your name, man. I'm so sorry. Kyle?
John from GETWRENCHD.
Oh, shit!
Yeah.
Oh, no! Okay, fucking get ready, dude. Fucking introduce yourself, man. Hang out. That's what we're doing.
Check this out. Ran into her two wheels, Jess, right here. Yeah, everyone knows who you are. No one knows who I am.
I don't think so.
Anyways, she's here at the Forgotten Angles Campout as well, and it's really cool to meet you for the first time.
Thanks.
And so, I've watched all your videos, and pleasure to meet you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Forgotten Angles was created in 2015, for those of you who don't know, by Cindy Tilley. Just really quickly give her a round of applause for starting this whole thing. Okay, well, I'm going to do a little shout out to Jared Weems because
You have to shout loud.
this all started with Jared Weems!
All right, everybody. Well, that about wraps it up for me here at the Brapstar Weirdo Campout 2021. I think we had a great time here today. That ride over was insane, but it was a lot of fun. So, yeah, thanks for watching. Hit that like, comment, subscribe button below. And hey, appreciate everyone watching. And be sure to stay tuned. There'll be a lot more content to come. All right. Peace out, everyone.